Hello, welcome back to Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we will talk about module. So let's start. Here our first question is, which of these definitions correctly describe a module? Option A, denoted by triple quote for providing the specification of certain program element. Option B, design and implementation of a specific functionality to be incorporated into a program. Option C, defines the specification of how it is to be used. And option D, any program that reuses code. Here the correct answer will be option B. The term module refers to the implementation of specific functionality to be incorporated into a program. Next question, which of the following is not an advantage of using module? Option A, provides a means of reuse of program code. Option B, provides a means of dividing up tasks. Option C, provides a means of reducing the size of the program. And option D, provides a means of testing individual parts of the program. The correct answer will be option C, because the total size of the program remains the same regardless of whether modules are used or not. Modules simply divide the program. Next question, question number 3. Program code making use of a given module is called a dash of the module. Option A, client. Option B, docstring. Option C, interface. Option D, modularity. Correct answer will be option A, client. Program code making of a given module is called the client of the module. There may be multiple clients for a module. Next question, dash is a string letter denoted by triple quotes for providing the specifications of certain program element. Option A, interface. Option B, modularity. Option C, client. Option D, docstring. The correct answer will be D, docstring. Docstring used for providing the specification of program elements. Next question, which of the following is true about top-down design process? Option A, the details of a program design are addressed before the overall design. Option B, only the details of the program are addressed. Option C, the overall design of the program is addressed before the details. Option D, only the design of the program is addressed. Correct answer will be option C. Top-down design is an approach for deriving a modular design in which the overall design. Next question, in top-down design, every module is broken into same number of submodules. So option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer will be false, because in top-down design every module can be broken down into different number of submodules. Next question, all modular design are because of a top-down design process. Option A, true. Option B, false. Correct answer will be false, because the details of the program can be addressed before the overall design too. Hence, all modular design are not because of a top-down design process. So in this video we completed 7 MCQ questions from the modular section from the module chapter. In the next video we will discuss more about practical MCQ questions, where we will discuss about the code and their output. So for this one, that's it for today. In the next video we'll see you again. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.